I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the academic requirements of the basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education for senior high school. Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Victoria B. Gazo, represented by Dr. Regine Mary L. Ruiz, Education Program Supervisor in Learning Resource Management Development. They now await your confirmation.
By the authority vested upon me by the Department of Education, through our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Victoria V. Gazo, and with the certification of your secondary school principal too, Dr. Virgilia O. Pancho, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the Department of Education and their basic education curriculum. On this 31st day of March 2026 at Manolo Fortich Municipal Gymnasium, I hereby confirm you graduates with all the rights and privileges of partaking here too. My warmest congratulations.